Before you decide to pressure wash your home, you might want to try this first. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the exterior wall with bleach, a spray bottle, and a water hose. That's it. This is a hardy plank exterior wall with builder grade paint. My guess is that it's Sherwin-Williams, but I don't know for sure. There are people who swear that pressure washing will do the job and not harm the wall or paint, but I would rather proceed with caution. I used a 2.5% concentration of SH, aka sodium hypochlorite, or bleach, or Clorox. 2.5% is not very high, and I didn't want to overdo it. The bleach I used was 7.5% concentrate jug, and I added 2 parts of water to dilute it to 2.5%. I think a lesser concentration would probably have worked well, but you are free to play around with whatever works for you. I don't claim to be a professional, but this is the dumbed down version of what a professional would consider soft washing. If you're going to try this method, which I know also works on stucco, please test it on a small area before you go crazy on a bigger section. Once I had the mix ready, I started spraying it directly on the algae. Make sure to wear eye protection and not spray on a windy day. I let it sit for about 4 minutes, then I started washing it off with the hose. The results were already showing after 30 seconds, so I knew the mix was pretty good. For the sake of this video, I did not use any brushes or scrubbers. I simply used bleach and water, and I think it came out pretty good. Make sure to water the ground as well to prevent any grass or plants from dying. I even sprayed the area above my windows using the jet option on the bottle. I don't recommend spraying above your head, but I made sure it was not windy and I stood far enough away. This whole cleaning took me about 15 minutes, but I went back to it and repeated the process. So if you're thinking about pressure washing your exterior walls, you might want to try this first.
Toodaloo!